International issues of energy efficiency and climate change make it incumbent on today's architects and builders to design structures that place a premium on energy conservation and environmental responsibility. We know that commercial buildings are major energy consumers. Conducting energy use characterizations allows us to see exactly where this energy is being consumed. In general, electrical lighting accounts for about 40% of the energy used in commercial office buildings. Plus, about a third of cooling costs go toward removing the heat generated by that lighting. Findings show that this cooling cost occurs across all climates. Let us then examine typical amounts of electricity used for lighting and the associated cooling costs in various buildings, first in a typical retail establishment. A typical grocery store has a substantial lighting and cooling energy footprint. At schools, controlling operational costs is critical. In an unconditioned warehouse, lighting is the major energy expense. Finally, a typical conditioned warehouse. Across the board, it becomes clear that lighting should be a priority when focusing on energy conservation. While installing more energy-efficient lighting equipment is good, effective daylighting combined with automated lighting controls can provide dramatic reductions in energy consumption. Solatube daylighting systems are an extraordinary choice for energy conservation measures. Their optically efficient design transfers more daylight through a smaller opening in the building envelope than windows or skylights, resulting in less heat gain or heat loss. The optical qualities also provide a more even illumination level throughout the day and throughout the year than other daylighting options. So building occupants can count on energy savings not only during peak daylight hours of 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. when energy costs are highest, but during most all daylight working hours to maximize their energy savings. While reducing our dependence on electric energy is important and the economic benefits are significant for business, a reduced environmental impact cannot be overlooked. Most electricity around the world is generated by burning fossil fuels, oil, gas, and coal. The resulting emissions pollute the air we breathe, damage the atmosphere, and contribute to global warming. Now consider this. Using natural daylight to offset the electricity used by just one 93-watt fixture prevents 13.4 pounds of carbon dioxide emissions per year for coal-based generation, or 4.5 pounds of carbon dioxide emissions per year for oil or gas-based generation. Multiply that by the 1,000 fixtures in a single popular office facility, and the environmental impact is staggering. Additionally, by reducing energy use and the resulting heat emissions, Solatube daylighting systems can play a role in reducing the heat island effect created in urban environments.